Hi, I'm Barb Lautenbach, and I and Mike own Mike's Pork Pub in Jacksonport.
Well, I think it's a casual dining. It's not fancy. We try to talk to everybody that comes in here, get to know them. You're recognized as soon as you come through the door by either myself or one of my employees.
And I would say 95% of the time you're going to see one of us here. Mike usually works the day shift, I work the night shift, so it's always there's an owner on premise.
So breakfast, I will make you, it's called the Jacksonport Sandbox. It's one of our popular ones. It's a 3rd-pound brat patty that we have grilled, and it comes on top of hash browns, and then that's covered in biscuit gravy, our homemade biscuit gravy, and it comes with 2 eggs and toast.
On Friday nights, we're a very popular place for Friday night fish fry. We do a walleye dinner or perch or pollock, but you're going to see a walleye dinner today. And we offer American or French fries or German potato salad with that, and our signature coleslaw. And it's kind of unique because there aren't many places that use that vinegar and oil recipe.
Next would be our broasted chicken. We hand bread our own chicken. We roast it with a choice of potato, either
Roasted
potato,
American potato salad, which is homemade, or German potato salad.
And it comes with coleslaw, roll, butter.
Next is our charbroiled burger, 85% lean patty, and then you have a choice of American cheese, Swiss cheese, or cheddar cheese. It also comes served with our homemade slaw or homemade potato chips or baked beans.